Delivery SMS Limworks application video series. And what you can see right in front of you is the Delivery SMS application. Now, have you ever wanted to take your customer service to the next level, to the level which it needs to achieve? Have you ever wanted to take full control of your customer services by texting your customers straight to their phone as soon as their order has been dispatched? Have you ever wanted to be able to go the extra mile for your customers so that you can get the best customer satisfaction levels and you can get the best customer feedback levels? Well, Delivery SMS has all the answers here. Once you launch the application, this is very easy. In 4 simple steps, you can get started. The first step, as you can see here, is SMS configuration, which is where you'll be able to select the name which you would like each customer to see in your text message. For example, if the company name is Joe Blogs, customers would see in a text message as the person that sent out the text message. You can also buy credits, which is the second step. You can buy credit from anything from 500 credits, which is valued at £21, to up to even 30,000 credits, which is £1,260. If you have a lot of orders, this is fantastic. If you don't have that many orders, then you can purchase less credits. So depending on the level of orders you may do on a daily, weekly, monthly basis, every SMS has different packages which are right for you. And the third and the fourth step is set up your templates and also setting up your synchronization. And I'm going to talk to you a little bit later in more detail about that. But for the meantime, I'm just going to hit X and I'm going to show you Delivery SMS. Now, what you can do is you can configure your SMS configuration here if you needed to come back to configure your SMS configuration. Credits which are available, you would see this balance appear on the top right hand corner of the screen. Currently, I have 0 credits. This arrow here also allows you to log out and to edit your profile. Here, you'll be able to change your password. Here, you'll be able to change your password in My Profile, and you'll be able to edit your login details also. When you do purchase credits, if you have set up your Delivery SMS on auto sync, text messages will continually go out until you run out of credits. And I'm going to show you that in just a moment. If you click on sync settings, you will be able to set up auto sync and manual sync. Now, auto sync is when you want these text messages to go out as soon as an order has been processed and dispatched in Limworks. So each time an order has been dispatched and processed in Limworks, automatically a text message will go out to the customer, letting them know that the order has been dispatched and that they have a specific tracking number that they can use to track their order. If you wanted this service to run only for an hour, you can switch this off and you can select to manual sync the orders. And your system will automatically send out these text messages for any time from up to an hour between 30 minutes of the current time. You can update these settings by clicking update here once you're happy. Now, if you want to be able to create templates to be able to send to customers, you can click on SMS templates. Now, there are 2 options here. There is default templates and there is custom templates. If you click on default templates, here you'll be able to see the templates which will be used by default if you were to send out automated messages by selecting auto sync in sync settings. These are the templates that will be selected if you decided to automatically send out messages as soon as a customer's order has been processed and dispatched. So depending on how you've sent out these messages based on your SMS configuration, you'll be able to send out these messages in a generic format. Where you'll see full name, the customer's actual name would replace this bracket, and where you'll see the source, the actual source would replace this bracket. And the same thing for the order reference number and the postal service number. The postal service name, sorry. Now, to make sure you've set up the correct sources, you can come back to SMS configuration here. Once again, you must have 11 characters when setting up your name for your text messages. Hit save and next. In this section here, you can confirm the subsources and sources which you want to send the text messages to. On the left hand side are the sources and the subsources which you want to receive the text messages to, and the right hand side are the sources and the subsources which you don't want the text messages to be sent to. The same thing goes for postal services. On the left hand side are the postal services which you want the customers to receive the text messages to, and once again on the right are the postal services of the customers which you don't want the text messages to be sent to. You can hit save and next again, and the similar action takes place for payment methods. So for payment methods which you want to receive the text messages, make sure it is on the left. For the customers with payment methods which you don't want to receive the text messages, make sure these are on the right. Hit save, and then SMS configuration has been set up.